What is happening, folks? We are rushing around, and it's midnight right now. Happy New Year. And we're jigging for Lakers in about 3 seconds here. I am pumped. We are super late. We've been out here for 10 hours, folks. 7 o'clock in the morning. And we get
Whoa! He's good size.
I told you he was big. He's wrapped in my line. We get a big old dirty burbs on Seth's line, of course. Why don't you cut it? Yeah. Big old dirty burbs. All right, going back in. I want to get a release video here. All right, welcome to the Bend It Fishing channel. We are, this is kind of an outro, but we fished, we got up here at 2 o'clock in the afternoon yesterday, and we can't fish till midnight. So we literally set up camp. It takes us about a couple hours. We're in the Eskimo 850 XDP, which is the pack down version, which we slept 3 people in here. One caught here this way, one caught here this way, and then we're cutting back. And we're jigging for Lakers and burbot, so stay along for the ride. We have snow squalls and whiteout conditions outside. It's absolutely atrocious. I don't even want to go outside and show you guys, but I'll take a little snippet with my phone. It's pretty rugged, and it's going to get down to about 10 degrees tonight, or last night. And then it's probably 10 degrees now with the wind chill. Pretty rugged, but if you guys want to support the channel, visit benditfish.com, where I use all the baits in the video. We're checking our cuss lines at 9 o'clock in the morning.
You live streaming?
Yeah. You need a tape measure too? Let's check this one.
Alright, hold on, ready?
There's snow in it.
That's okay.
Hey, how many do you think you have? Before we even start, how many?
6 out of 6 or 4 out of 6? What do you think?
I don't know.
Oh my goodness. Look at that guy. Look at the snow squall coming across the lake. Grab me face away from the wind, bud. Should we go back inside or no?
Grammy, what are you going to do? You want to go back in and wait it out and keep going?
I think we should go back inside. Go, go, go. Oh. Well, that was a fun 2 minutes. Yep, saw that snow squall come across the lake, and that was all she wrote, folks. On it, you know. There we go. Oh, yeah. It's weird how that froze like that, the wind. Don't hit the line, bro. Feel something on there or no? There's something big on there, buddy. Here. No, grab the line.
Reel it up.
Hey, just wrap it around the line. Wrap it around the stick, like we did initially. There's a big one on there, folks.
Oh yeah, yeah. I feel.
Oh no, we got your finger. Here. Hey, we'll just steal the line after. Got him, Rem? Stop! It's not very deep. Keep pulling, keep pulling. Or get closer to the hole. Pull it over the top of the hole. This is my son's first cusk. I don't think it's a Laker, but got him, Seth? We're only in like 20-30 feet here, so you fighting hard, buddy? Here, I got it. I'm wrapping it around your hands, bud. Oh no, look at this fluff, dude. Can't make that stuff up. pulling.
Yeah. Oh, there it is. Grab right here and pull it right up by the weight.
Keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling. Oh, it's a monster rim!
Oh, 16.
Yeah, around there.
You said that's what? Those are 15s?
He's longer than that, he's only like 18. You want to keep him or you want to let him go?
Let him go. No!
Hey! I wasn't gonna hit
Yeah,
you.
come over here so I can take a picture of you. There we go. Nice, dirty burbs.
They're probably all gonna be like that.
I think there's a fish on there. Oh yeah, there's a fish on there, alright. Not a very big one though. He's just like coming up. Like a slinky. There he is. Dirty burbs. Get your mouth open. Yeah. I'm around the same size, Seth. That's heavy. Feel that head shake? Oh yeah, that's big. Oh geez.
Hey, that'd be funny.
No, don't even say it. I'm dead serious.
no.
Whatever you're gonna say, don't
Talk about
say
the
it.
length of him.
You always jinx me on this stuff. I'm serious, don't.
What is that?
It's a big one.
Fish.
You wrap that for me. Feels like a big one. And it felt like a big one a second ago. Now it's playing possum.
Until he sees the light. Yeah, he's had a lot of muscle to him.
Yeah, he's going back down. It's a big one, folks. What is that? The tail of a lake trout. There we go. Get your cell phone on you, bud.
What's up?
Get your cell phone. Nice. Got it. Good.
Name's on. Name tag on.
This one's got one too. Got another fish.
So you 3 for 3.
Yeah.
Dad, you got 3 fishes.
Yep.
I only got 1. That's okay.
Well, yours is bigger, I think. It's fighting.
So far they've all been right about the same size.
Until there's a big one.
That'll be on my line.
Probably. These are all out deeper. I'm worried about that one that has no line on it. Because it can't go nowhere. That's what I thought you were going to say. Open up, pig. What's that? Another dirty burbs. No Lakers yet, even though we came here for Lakers. I think we should be shallower for Lakers. But we set up here because they dropped this lake a bunch of feet and thought it was going to be too shallow. And now I can't close these up. Oop. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Alright, he goes up. That one's gonna come for me. Look at.
What is that? Got it.
Alright, you got that one. I'm gonna get this one.
What was that? It just came straight down. It was my pliers. No way. No way, guys. I just dropped my pliers down the hole. They rocketed down the hole. I tried to jig what I thought was a fish, and it was my pliers. No.
Let me see that.
I hooked that cord, dude. What?
Yeah, they look like this.
I'm dropping down again.
Hey, that was a good catch. Good job. I mean, you really got it.
Yeah, that's... Either got a Laker or a bourbon. Feels like a Laker.
You're on the bottom?
Yeah, just tapped into the mud. Got something, folks. Feels like a Laker. Dirty burbs! What's that? I mean, Remy.
What?
So they're down there, we just can't see the stupid things.
Yeah, that's sitting on the bottom.
There we go. First jigged up burb of 2026. Nice one, folks. Not a very big one, though. Alright, I'm gonna pee, then I'll come back. I just saw this go off. I'm guessing it's a burbot on it. You tangle mess, you. There we go. These jigging bases do work. First Laker of 2026, folks. First little Laker of 2026. Nice.
Oh my kid.
Lily's standing outside taking a leak. And I'm like, huh, that just went off. And it was like dumbfounded me for some reason. It is absolutely miserable weather outside, bro. We're gonna go outside and walk around and fish on the shelf behind us.
Because we're miserable people.
Because we want to catch more than one Laker today. But that's the goal. Oh, got him. Sniped it, folks. There we go. There's a freaking lake trout. Yep, there's another one. Chase, get him, get him, get him. Oh, Seth, you missed him. Another Laker right there, folks. That's a bigger one. Mine just came up and tackled it. That was sweet. Oh, there's one right there. Get him, Seth. Oh, I yanked it out of his face. Oh, he comes. Got him. Everything is froze right up, folks. Drags froze, lines froze. Yeah, that's a Laker. He's just really pissed. Another Laker. Going back in. Pooping all over the place.
Supposed to be
Oh, right here. Got him. Yeah, you think? Get out of there. It's number 3, 4. Would you stop it? Going back down. Oh, right there, Seth. Have him. Get him. Get him right there. It's right next to you. Just tap that in the mud. Reel up, reel up, reel up, reel up, reel up, reel up, reel up. Yep, you're lucky I'm not down there. All right, what a big difference, folks, this makes. So we're literally, you guys can see our shacks in the background. That's 55 feet. This is 23 feet. And these Lakers are completely different attitude. Out there, they're being finicky and they would chase just a little bit. There's tons of bait out here. And up here, we're not seeing any bait around. I can see about a half acre with live scope. No bait around. And as soon as a Laker comes in, he just bites it. So, yeah. What a big difference. Stand right in the middle, bud.
Hey, where's the heater?
Here. All right, folks, we are in the Quick Fish 3 because we have all of our other shacks are over there and the fish are not biting literally 100 feet away, but they're biting over here in shallower water. So moved everything over here. I caught 3 or 4 already, shallow. And I want to get my little buddy on his first Laker of 2026. Oh, here comes one. Oh, got him. Here, reel him in.
Okay.
Reel him in, reel him in. Reel, you got to reel. Why do you huff so much?
He's a big one.
He is a big one. Oh, here comes another big one. Look at that. He's fighting. Hold on. Let him run.
No.
Yep, reel. Yeah. There we go. Another little Laker. All right. Catch one more since they're everywhere. Yeah, let it hit bottom, buddy. So see the dot?
Yeah, I see one.
Yeah, dot has to hit the bottom and then lift it up. Dot goes away and then up. Dot goes away and then up.
I'm doing. I don't think any of the fish are hungry.
Oh, right there. Got him.
Oh, okay.
You want him? Here.
Yeah.
Real. He's a big one. He's a big one. He's big. Oh, let him run. Let him run. Oh, he's off. Oh.
That was a big one.
That was a big one too. Here comes another one. Right here. Reel. Ooh. He missed it. What are you doing? Got it. Oh, dropped another one. We just took 2 back to back, missed both of them.
Fish!
Got him?
I got him, but he let go.
Well, you gotta hit him harder. I know, as soon as I step out, that was gonna happen. Silly goose. Yeah, I just walked out and checked it a second ago. Because I'm like, I don't think you would hear it if it went off. Oh. Got him. Laker. 2 feet below the ice. Oh, I just pooped everywhere. Oh, another one.